You're going to want to listen up for this one. We're diving into one of nature's best-kept secrets for fighting allergies. No expensive medications, no risky side effects. Just a simple, natural solution that could change your life if you suffer from allergies. Stay tuned because coming up I'll reveal the powerful antihistamine properties of this incredible natural remedy. You'll learn exactly what it is, where to find it, and how to use it. It's a game changer for allergy sufferers. Our natural antihistamine hero today is stinging nettle. This unassuming green plant packs a powerful antihistamine punch. Let me break down why stinging nettle is so effective against allergies. First, stinging nettle naturally contains compounds that block the body's ability to produce histamine. Histamine is the pesky compound that triggers allergy symptoms like runny nose, itchy eyes, and more. By reducing histamine levels, stinging nettle helps stop allergic reactions before they start. Numerous studies back up stinging nettle's antihistamine abilities. One found it could reduce hay fever symptoms just as effectively as over-the-counter antihistamine drugs. Another study showed stinging nettle extracts blocked histamine receptors better than many conventional allergy meds. But stinging nettle's benefits don't stop at histamine blocking powers. It's also packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, a main driver of allergy misery. Plus it provides immune-balancing effects that can correct overactive immune responses that lead to allergies. What really makes stinging nettle stand out is its safety and lack of side effects when used properly. Unlike many antihistamine drugs that can cause sedation, dry mouth, constipation, and other issues, stinging nettle is well tolerated when taken appropriately. Finding and using stinging nettle is straightforward. You can purchase dried nettle leaves or extracts at health food stores or online retailers. Always opt for quality brands and follow dosage instructions carefully. To make nettle tea, simply steep 1 teaspoon of dried leaves in hot water for 5–10 minutes. You can drink this daily for allergy prevention or increase intake when symptoms flare up. Many people also take stinging nettle capsules or tinctures. A few precautions: stinging nettle can interact with some medications, especially blood thinners and diabetes drugs. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any medical conditions, consult your doctor before using stinging nettle products. Stick to recommended dosages and make sure to purchase from a reputable supplier. Embracing natural remedies like stinging nettle is an empowering step towards holistic health and freedom from allergy misery. Why not give this plant ally a try this allergy season and see if you can ditch those expensive, side effect-laden drugs? In summary, stinging nettle is a must-try natural antihistamine remedy that blocks histamine release, reduces inflammation, and balances the immune system. Multiple studies prove its efficacy against allergies without nasty side effects of drugs. Use dried nettle leaves to brew an allergy-fighting tea, or take capsules or tinctures daily for prevention and relief. Just be sure to buy from a quality source and follow dosage guidelines carefully. Taking control of your allergies naturally with this potent plant medicine could be a total game changer. So don't wait, see what stinging nettle can do for your allergy symptoms today.